What's the car insurance claim procedure? At Youi, there are usually a few steps involved in the claim process. The first step is lodgement. This is where you need to contact us to lodge your claim. Next is the assessment of the car. Then is the authorisation stage, where the go-ahead is given for the claim to continue. Then the final stage is usually repairs of the car. To get your Youi claim underway, there are 3 ways to lodge. You can give us a call, log into our website, or lodge through the Youi app. Once your claim is in the system, we'll organise the assessment for you. Then, depending on the assessor's report, we will organise repairs with one of our service providers. Your car may even be replaced with a brand new one if you are eligible for new car replacement. Throughout the whole process, our claims team will keep you updated regularly. For more info on the Youi claims process, check out the claiming section of the PDS or call us and we can explain it over the phone.